If you already hold Bitcoin and you're thinking about physical gold, the biggest risk is often not the gold price, it's the process. Crypto payments are fast and usually irreversible. Gold is high value, and there's a delivery or storage step. That combination is exactly what scammers like. Here's a simple way to stay safe. First, the counterparty. A polished website proves nothing. Verify the firm's legal details and contact number using trusted sources, not links from ads, DMs, or urgent emails. Second, KYC. KYC is normal. It's the identity checks a legitimate dealer uses. The risk is fake KYC portals that steal your documents. If the process feels rushed, pause. Third, pricing. Ask for the all-in quote, the price lock window, and every fee in plain English, including any settlement, vaulting, insurance, or delivery costs. Fourth, custody. Decide early, delivered or vaulted. Delivered needs safe receipt, storage, and insurance. Vaulted needs clarity on ownership, allocation, and withdrawals. Fifth, confirmation. Treat wallet addresses as high risk. Confirm details through a second channel, and where possible, start with a small test transfer. This is general information only, not tax, legal, or financial advice. Hope that helps.